Okay.
Oh, you guys can just reach those.
10.5 months late.
That's a good load.
Yeah, we'll do one more here.
Guys, here's those tiny nubs. Yeah.
Yeah, you're holding this shit.
Yeah.
Don't think about it that way. We can reach higher. We can use tiny little bullshit like this.
You can do.
There he is. I'm sorry, Nathan.
Well, like, yeah, you know, warm up house and high foot there for a long time. But this one wasn't too bad. And it's not the problem, it's just there's a lot more weight on my fingers in the morning when I'm trying to jump around.
Whoop.
I just don't just call this tractor video. I know you're not gonna call it. Slack touching the ground.
No, like honestly, literally.
Over halfway. Did I give you a good slack yesterday?
Yeah.
I just want to keep you safe, man. You're important.
Yeah, this one's called Harry. You can see because we got these little taggies. Taggerinos. What?
His video's gonna be beep, beep.
I just mute swear words.
It's like, demonetized immediately. Mute this.
I'm not monetized. We can say whatever we want. I just try to keep it family friendly.
I word on his channel.
Nancy.
I said the M word. M.
Is he gonna end up like my stepbrother and he's saying muscle and making these one?
No, he said Arab.
There you go. No. I'm like, I can't be mad at you guys and do this on like a farm in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so you want the constant?
I mean, not now.
Just
don't short him up.
I did.
I just picked the same toe that is demolished. Yeah, I went right into a ledge with my toe yesterday and had the nails on top. So.
I told Neil still like has a bunch of blood under it from April. It's been slowly pushing. It's like just out reaching the tip, so it's
Cool. That's pretty interesting.
the old battery. Don't worry, Kate, I saw like that too.
It was such a control problem. Yeah, I'm gonna start with you guys.
Alright, we just need a part from Katie and John now.
Yeah, Julie, take.
Fell off the hooker book tip and didn't die. It's like the A5.
Oh wow.
Ew.
So it's not A5.
It's the one where they tape the hook to the wall. Yeah, exactly. A4 plus. You ever see that rant, John, of like, we have a confirmed A5 pitch. Here's the corpse.
No.
Who's coming up next? Is this guy who's talking about like how stupid the A rating system is?
Sure.
And he's like, you know, taken to its logical conclusion, to have a confirmed A5 pitch, shouldn't someone have to fall and then rip the pitch and die? Or rip the belay out?
Yeah.
Because you never know, those rips could hold. No, those bashies, they can hold. So what would have to happen is you have a route where 5 people leave the ground and 2 make the summit.
Was it the wide boys that was showing like them falling on sky hooks? Like the triple Fifi hooks? Because they were doing some bullshit climb out in Wales or something like that.
Oh, maybe. How not to has done some fall testing on hooks. They don't hold that good.
Oh, yeah.
Like, you can take a little fall on them, but you cannot whip on them. They bend out. They flex when you step on them. Like, I don't know why people would think that you can actually, like, whip them. Oh, we're gonna miss out on a route, guys. A couple of zombies are getting on. It's up.
I will fucking kill you. You can hop on it first if you want. I'll let you. Oh, you got a lot of shit over there.
Yeah, good night, Betty. So do you want me to hang your drawers? Is that what this is really about?
Girl, I'll be hanging my drawers over your head and flying it from behind.
So you're gonna hold your drawers and fly through like this?
Drawers, as in,
Oh.
Underpants?
drawers.
Draws is an underpants?
Wow. He's not even fucking in this conversation. He's fucking vibing. Yeah, John.
Y'all. I agree.